Hey dreamers, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh, hi. Never seen that face before. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you decide to stick around, and if you decide to stick around, please make sure to click that subscribe button and also that bell button so you guys do not miss out on my future videos. In this video, we are going to be testing out the Zero Makeup by Nabila. I am wearing absolute no makeup. I have the palette with me right now. Let me just bring it for you guys. They got 6 shades in this palette. We have Porcelain, Pearl, Ivory, Cream, Honey and Caramel. I got my shade in Pearl, which is for fair skin. Porcelain is basically for very fair skin. Pearl is for fair skin. That is what my shade is. Ivory is for the light skin tone. Cream is for medium to light skin tone. Honey is for golden tan skin tone. Lastly, Caramel is for tan skin tone. When you guys go to buy this product, you guys have to keep one thing in mind. This is basically made for every Asian girl out there according to their skin tone. If you guys bought a wrong skin tone, this product is of no use. Keep that in your mind. So I'm going to open it right now. Okay, so here is the Zero Makeup by Nabila. Nabila is a makeup artist and hairstylist here in Pakistan. She got a salon over here. The packaging looks really nice, really high-end, really expensive. I really like the packaging. It's written Zero on the top of the palette and it's crossed. They also give a small booklet, Zero Makeup, how you're going to use it and how many products you are going to find in this box. And yeah, I got mine from Sensation for 4,900. You can get this palette from Sensation or from her own salon, that is Nabila Salon. When I came to know about the price, which is quite expensive, if a Pakistani artist is launching her makeup, she could have made it a bit cheaper so everyone can buy it. When we are going to open this palette, this is what are you going to see. Got a concealer, a blend, a blush and a pout. And if you going to lift it up, you are going to get a powder over here as well and a powder pad. Oh, we have a mirror over here as well. Oh, I didn't know. I just saw it. We have a mirror as well. Ooh, that looked really nice and I look really pathetic. I hope Nabila, while making this product, Nabila thought about the weather of Pakistan. Let's just try it out this product with your fingers as well, but I'm going to be trying out with this foundation brush. From my lip, I'm going to be using this. I haven't tested out yet. I opened it once while checking my shade and I hope it matches here as well. So let's just get into the video. Before getting into the makeup, you have to keep one thing in your mind. You have to moisturize your face, which is really important. I have moisturized my face with the Skin Deep Shea Miracle. If you guys want to see a review, I have done a review on that. Link would be in the description box. And for the primer, I used aloe vera gel because green is going to help with the discoloration and aloe vera gel sticky in consistency, so it is going to stick my makeup for the longest time. That is what I am hoping. I don't know if it works or not, but that is what I use as a primer. Oh, okay, first is the blend, and then we have the concealer, then we have the blush and then the pout. If you talk about the cream products, I like cream products because they look really natural. So I like cream products, but you have to keep one thing in your mind. You have to set the cream products with the powder. If you're using a cream cream contour shade, you have to set it with the powder contour. Let's start with the concealer first. So that is the first thing we have to use. I have a concealer brush. Only going to be testing out onto the half of my face to see if it really covers everything. Concealer is a bit on a drier side. It did cover. I can see the difference. If you guys cannot tell, I don't know, but I can see the difference. Use the blend now. Oh, okay. Blend is so smooth and silky. It's really smooth. On my finger, it feels really smooth. Let's just use brush onto this side and beauty blender, and I'm gonna tell you guys which tool works the best. Scars over here. It didn't cover much, but it did cover a lot. The blend looks really natural. I cannot tell if I'm wearing foundation. If I'm touching my face, nothing is transferring. Let's move on to the blush now. You can apply blush with your beauty blender as well. I was thinking that this blush is going to be really pigmented. It is not that much pigmented. I mean, not that much. It's really natural looking. Okay, here's the lip. I'm using a brush for this. You can use fingers or whatever you want. I feel like it's really nice. It's perfect for every day. This is more like nude plummy color. You have to keep this in your mind. It's a no makeup palette. It is going to give the effect that nothing, and that is what I feel like. I have applied nothing. It is looking flawless. Last part, that is the powder blush. Here we go. Finally. It blurred everything. Mirror, it has blurred everything. It looks really natural, really smooth. I love it. If you guys remember in the beginning, I said that every cream product needs to be set with a powder product. This should be the number 5th, which is number 5th, but people tend to use it onto number 3. For applying the blush, they use this. You do not have to do that. This needs to used after blush. Blush is a cream product. You need to set it. Now I'll quickly apply this palette onto this side. The beauty blender and the brush, but I would go for beauty blender because it gives more sheer look to the brush. It sometimes leaves the strokes, which we do not like the beauty blender. And I'll go final look. It is looking so natural. I'm really happy with the outcome. The only thing I am being skeptical, how long is this blend going to last? I'm going to highly recommend it to you guys, but since it's a bit on the pricey side, you guys can wait for the sale if it happens. Final thoughts are, I like this product. I'm going to be using on to those days when I need a bit of more natural look. A bit of more natural look. A good news to all the Asian girls out there. This is yellow in skin tone. Asian girls, a yellow tint to our skin tone. This is going to be the best product for you. Not buy the wrong shade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you guys want any product to be reviewed, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try my best to grab that product and review that for you guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys next Saturday in my next video. Until then, take care, have fun, and good luck. Allah Hafiz.